Boom Pal's out, and we have the little. Here, you open it.
They just keep
Drinking birds.
Another one.
So we have a little baby drinking bird next to a martini glass,
Yay.
and the big drinking bird
Next to Martino.
next. Well, now
Next
it's
to
next
a
to
normal
martini glass. Came from China. Real quick.
Where did you get the audio from?
What movie was that, Gavin? We saw a little bird.
Megamind.
Megamind. Yeah.
Mine?
Yeah, you can open up that one, Gavin. Just be careful, don't tear them up.
Oops.
What, did you tear them up already? Stop tearing them up.
Gavin did a worse job.
Well, he's still got eyes. He's in one piece. Find his legs, Gavin. Put him down gently and dig his legs out of that box.
Oh man, look at this Megamind.
You got him set up already? Hey, be
water in
careful
it.
with him.
Put water in it.
I've got water right here. Look at that.
Once he starts drinking, he won't stop.
Oh, you have some. The little ones are crooked.
Please, please stop. It's not
Why
how
is
you
he
put it
crooked?
in right.
He's not high.
Right.
You gonna fix it, Gavin?
Yeah. Because of Jessica. Doesn't know.
No.
Yeah, of course.
No,
it's
he's just
Michael.
gonna, he's
Just
just gonna
keep-
drown in it. I'll see what I can do. He's like a super drinker. And he's like sticking his head down in there.
On me. Too much water.
Think the water's too cold?
Stop it!
We got a third little drinking buddy from another time. But what it was, this little thing was too far down on his little neck, and he was too top heavy, and he wouldn't drink properly until I pulled the little metal thing up on his neck. Everybody else is drinking fine,
Except for that guy.
except for that guy we don't know what's wrong with him.
He's
Maybe
probably
it's-
dead.
Maybe he needs to move
His
down
feather.
on him.
Probably needs.
Feather fell off his butt.
Yeah, and his eyes fell off. Let me see if I can adjust him and make him work.
Nothing important about that. Leave this up.
They are all drinking now.
This guy doesn't see, so he's just drinking for no reason.
Yeah. It's kind of hard to,
See when you're
when
drinking.
you don't have eyes, it's kind of hard to see. All the little drinking buddies. He's been around a long time. I had him when I was a kid. Boom Pals out. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.
No.